Hi all, I'm Stefani.
My name is Leora,
I accept the Abai 175 challenge.
and I'll be reading Abai's poem Summer in English.
Summer climbs the mountains. Flowers overcolor and blanch.
Men leave the sun and sit, tree-tented, by the cold creek.
Horses bray, each apart in the warm air, and the warm grass whiffles in a lime plain.
Hushed and still, the horse herds stand in wither-high water and wave the flies away with silk-swish tails.
And colts clatter the air, rippling the quiet and lifted eyes. I pass this challenge to you, our at USCG Almaty followers. Share a video of you reading Abai and tag us.
And be sure to watch Consul General Eric Meyer reading one of Abai's poems in Kazakh.